Hey guys, my name is Jay. Today I'm going to talk to you about an IP camera named Digoo, or I don't know, Digoo. The model number is dg-myq. It's a cloud-based IP camera system, wireless camera system. Pretty inexpensive. I bought this on banggood.com. Came from China. $12.99. I've been using one in my kitchen. Pretty good. I've been using it for almost a year. The resolutions are 720p resolutions. This connects via Wi-Fi. It has a two-way audio as well as it has micro SD you can insert in here, and it's pretty easy to set up. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. And you see on top, this you can just hang it with a tack or any screw anywhere you want. This they don't come with a power supply, but it's a standard micro USB input. So any Microsoft USB input connected to a USB adapter, such as the iPhone adapter or any other adapter, will work. It does not really come with any manual. It just comes with this card. Tells you to download a software, which, well, I already have a software because I've been using this in my kitchen. So what I'm gonna do, I'll show you the app. This is the Digoo app. The one circled is a Digoo cloud app you can get on App Store. Alright, so let me plug this in. Okay, the blue light is coming on. Let's put this. I'm going to turn the app on, right? So as you can see, it already has this camera installed. This is, it says kitchen because this is installed in kitchen. So let me put this one right here, the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add. No, actually this went in. This plus sign right here.
Please use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration.
Okay, so it tells you what needs to be done. So it tells you that, okay, connect the camera to the Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do is, on the phone, I'm going to click on camera. There are three different modes you can select to connect the camera. I'm going to use the second option, the one with the barcode. Here it's asking to enter the password for your Wi-Fi. It only takes 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5 gigahertz. About 10 to 20 centimeters. Okay. So this is the camera. Face it this way. Okay, I heard the beep, so I click
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting.
So I clicked on heard buzzing.
Please wait for internet connecting.
Okay. The device was added successfully. Done.
Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
Oh, nice. Update my device. It's actually going to send the firmware update onto this device. That's pretty good. It's very simple. Actually, searching for the camera directly through the phone did not work. What worked was to scan the QR code on the phone with the camera. That picked up pretty quickly. So now it's installing the firmware, as you can see. Alright, as you can see, the light is blinking. It's restarting the camera. It restarted the camera. So that means I think the firmware was installed or actually pushed to the camera successfully. Now it's gonna reconnect on the cell phone. Alright, and there we go. So as I said, I have two cameras. This is the kitchen, this is the one I just added. So if I click on that, it will connect. I'm gonna mute because you know it's gonna just I'm gonna hold. Hello? Alright, so the hold to talk, there's a speaker in here, right here. Pretty good. And as you can see, the resolutions are not that bad. Let me make it big so you can see it clearly. Okay, so look, the resolutions are pretty good. I wonder if you can read what's on the box. Maybe my hand is too shaky, but pretty good resolution. I like it. It also records. It gives you, since it's a brand new, I just opened it out of the box. It gives you 7 days of recording for free in a cloud. You can also access this from a computer, any web connected computer through a browser. I will put that link in the video. You just have to register an account and you should be able to view all your videos online. As you can see, this gray area, that means that there are some recording, like audio recording. Orange means there's a movement. Okay, you can buy plans on this. So if I go to settings and if I go to cloud service, you see it says trial. So currently I have a trial, 7 days trial right now, but you down the road you can buy more if you like. Actually it's a 3-day recording plan, it's not 7, sorry. So it will only record for 3 days. They used to give 7 days. They reduced this time. Anyway, $69 for a year, which will record 7 days of recording, 15 days of recording, 30 days of recording, and a prepaid. I mean, I usually don't like to pay for all this. What I do is I put in an SSD card in there. My kitchen one, I have about 32 GB of SSD card. It only records on the movements if there's any motion, and if there's any audio. With that 32 gig, I think it gives me about more or less a month, so which is more than enough. I can always go back and view anything if I need. If you, by the way, if you are inserting a SSD card into this, you have to change this option where it says play videos from cloud. You want to go in here and then click on SD card. Currently I don't have an SD card, so I'm just gonna leave it to cloud. Plus I have this service free for a few days. I'm gonna utilize that. Later I will change that. Currently, as you can see, no SD card. You can change the name, you can change the time. Currently it's at Beijing time. I am in Eastern time zone, so I'll put Eastern time, and that's it. You can change the name, camera name, entrance, back door, living room. I'm gonna put this in basement. Alright, that's it. Night vision is auto, and yeah, that's it. This was pretty simple to install. As you can see, you know, the recording is coming through. I can go back and look, it's just playing the videos I took. Okay, go back to live. I click on this little arrow, goes back to the live video. Okay, hopefully this helps. This is $12.99, $13 free shipping. Came from China. Website was banggood.com. Works pretty good. I have had no issues so far with this camera. I love it. The price and the quality is pretty good. Okay, thank you for watching.